Welcome to another episode of One or More, where I try to make you laugh one or more times. Let's get started. In a new podcast interview, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis was asked if the cowboy boots he's often photographed wearing have heels. Unfortunately, nobody heard the governor's response because after taking off the boots to show everybody, he couldn't reach the microphone. DoorDash is now warning customers that it might take longer for their food to get delivered if they don't tip. That's interesting. I thought tipping was to ensure that they don't spit in your food. Today is 2 days after Halloween, which makes it the Day of the Dead, a day totally dedicated to the U.S. Congress. I saw that an unofficial McDonald's museum opened in California. Just to be clear, this guy wants you to know it's called the McDowell's Museum. On Tuesday, DiGiorno's announced they're introducing a Thanksgiving pizza for customers this November while supplies last. DiGiorno simultaneously announced a leftover turkey buyback program for next year's pizzas. After DiGiorno's made their Thanksgiving pizza announcement, Pumpkin Spice responded by saying, "Hey, yo, I run the holidays after Halloween, huh?" Tonight, the Golden Bachelor is set to roll into 3 hometowns. I'm expecting the episode to be a tearjerker as the Golden Bachelor will be introduced to the contestants' parents' tombstones. And finally, in California, McDonald's and Chipotle said they plan to increase menu prices after the minimum wage was increased in the state. So when you ask employees what they think about new menu items, expect them to respond, "I don't know, I can't afford it." That is the news and jokes for November 2nd. If I made you laugh once, then please smash that like button. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.